Remember what online shopping used to look like? Now it's visual. You can even try it on. You'll still want that second opinion.
Look what I just sent you. What do you think of this dress?
Oh.
That's gorgeous. I'm in love. I'm gonna buy it.
But with AI mode, you can ask for expert advice to find exactly what you're looking for. And on YouTube, inspiration comes to you.
She gave this for the hype.
So whether you're going on a trip or just getting dinner,
Pizza's ordered.
you can discover it, research it, try it, buy it, all on Google and YouTube.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be back at GML. Okay, so you've set up your AI-powered campaigns. You're using AI to build and scale your creative. But is your measurement keeping up? In this complex new world, think of it this way. You are a coach, and your marketing channels are your athletes. Let me explain. A coach needs to see the performance of the whole team. That's your marketing mix modeling. At the same time, they need to keep an eye on how individual players are doing. Simply put, that's your attribution. And after every game, you need to review highlights and lowlights, your post-game analysis. This helps you figure out how each play contributed to that win. That's when you call in incrementality experiments. I'll keep the sports analogy going by saying you can think of us as your training partners. We've built a modern measurement game plan that will help you maximize every dollar that you're spending on marketing. Better MMMs, smarter attribution, and faster incrementality testing. Cue the Rocky music. No? Couldn't get the rights? We'll move on. The truth is, only 44% of senior marketing analytics professionals are using marketing mix modeling, attribution solutions, and incrementality experiments all together. We want to make that 100%, so you can win the game of measurement. First up, Meridian, our next generation MMM, open source and built for the modern consumer journey. Meridian delivers clearer performance insights across your whole team, online, offline, TV, so you can maximize your marketing spend. Plus, it uniquely measures the full impact of search and video with advanced attribution and reach and frequency modeling. We've assembled a global network of partners that will help you get started on your Meridian journey. Now, let's be real. Measurement isn't a matter of life and death. But for your brand, it can be. On that note, let's hear it from Liquid Death. They sell water, yes? But they're fiercely committed to sustainability as well as modern measurement too. Let's take a look.
At Liquid Death, we have the best upper funnel that can exist out there through virality, through amazing creatives. But at the end of the day, we need to get them from I'm aware of the brand to, oh, let me try, I'll buy.
Power Digital's mission is to relentlessly pursue growth for our clients. Liquid Death came to Power Digital to really help them measure its marketing effectiveness.
We have a very strong fan base that is really excited about the brand. If we want to grow beyond that fan base, we need to go in front of new to brand. I need to understand through measurement, where can I capture that new audience? It's understanding what platform drove what type of incrementality. Traditional MMMs are not a solution for us. If you want an MMM to work, you probably have to feed the MMM with years of data. We don't have years of data.
Meridian was a great solution for Liquid Death. Meridian allows you to incorporate priors from incrementality experiments, as well as gives a geographic ROI basis. We've run thousands of marketing mix models and hundreds of incrementality experiments per year for our clients. Meridian's the leading contender in open source MMM.
As we develop a very comprehensive approach to incrementality and measurement with Meridian and Power, we'll be able to better understand where to spend, looking at previous data, but most importantly, looking forward.
Beyond MMMs, individual player performance matters. Attribution can help you see that clearly. However, last touch attribution is like saying the player who shot that basket is the one responsible for scoring the point. What about all the passing and the defense? That's where data-driven attribution models can help. They assign credit to each critical step that led to the point, or a conversion in your case. Data-driven attribution models are important for optimization. However, they work well when they are part of your business intelligence systems. That's your ultimate source of truth. We want to go deep and understand the real drivers of performance. Then incrementality experiments can give you an assist. They show you how to play each game differently and win the next game by making MMMs more accurate so you can make better decisions. This is your post-game analysis and how you supercharge your ROI. So why wouldn't you do all of this? Well, the most common reasons we hear is time and cost. We're making incrementality testing easier and faster across all Google Ads campaigns. And now you can get started with budgets as low as $5,000. Now, one really important thing. None of this works without your fuel, your strong first-party data. It's the electrolytes for the modern measurement world. Those of you who joined us last time might remember me as the data guy. Guess what? He's back. We've got to have some kind of gimmick for you to remember the importance of data. Happy for it to be my mission. And we even got a swag. Come chat with our experts in the measurement corner of the product bar and score your very own Data Guy t-shirt. Get them while they last. Your data is your competitive edge. Connect all your data sources, web, stores, CRM, apps, and achieve peak performance. Data Manager is how you do it. It's a one-stop shop to get your data working harder with step-by-step guidance to help you make your setup even stronger. This is how it works. OK, it's showing me I need to upgrade my tag. This is a very important step that every marketer should take to improve their performance. Take control and get an average of 11% more signal with Google Tag Gateway, unlocking deeper insights with just a click of a button. With the power of Google Tag Gateway and confidential computing, we're enabling performance with privacy across ads measurement. And best of all, it's easy, no retagging required. This covers your website and your app, but a lot of your data sits in your business intelligence systems, like your CRMs. Last year, we made it easier for you to connect all your offline sources with a few simple clicks. But we heard you. You want to make it easier to connect all your data through an API. You'll be happy to hear we've consolidated multiple APIs across Google Ads and Google Marketing Platform into one Data Manager API. So to recap, your modern measurement game plan. MMMs for cross-channel measurement, so you can see the performance of the whole team and how individual players are doing. Data-driven attribution gives you the granularity of data and driver performance, and incrementality experiments to see what's working and how you can improve. All of this fueled by your data. Now, we know a lot of you are already using Google Analytics. It's still the best way to capture all the essential data and discover useful insights, which you can then activate in Google Ads to improve your performance. We're making Google Analytics even better with cross-channel measurement and enhanced attribution across more channels: Snap, TikTok, and Pinterest. Finally, we have new cross-channel budgeting tools that will help you manage your spend directly in Google Analytics. That's all from your data guy. The ball is in your court now. Next up, let's welcome Celine and Sean to wrap this up. Thanks, everybody.
Hey, everyone. What an incredible Google Marketing Live, right? I am personally buzzing with all the innovation we've seen. There's a lot to digest. It's an exciting time in our industry, but we certainly empathize that you're navigating a lot of change and some uncertain waters.
Absolutely. And we're your partner in all of this. And our priority is to help you take advantage of all this innovation. But more importantly, make sure you're getting the best possible return on your ad spend.
We know how critical every dollar is. We work with so many businesses, big and small, around the world. And we wish we could give every single one of them personalized, hands-on support. That's why I'm really looking forward to the agentic solutions coming to our platforms. They have the potential to be such a game changer, providing helpful assistance to businesses everywhere.
Celine, it sounds like you have something that you want to share. Would you mind sharing it with everyone, please?
Ooh, I do actually. I've been having some fun testing out a brand new agent we've been developing. I'm going to give you a sense of where we're headed with the demo we just recorded. Let's say I have a business that sells chocolates from around the world.
Hi, Celine. I see that you have started a new summer sales campaign for your Chocolate Voyage website. How can I help you today?
I'm seeing website traffic from my campaign, but no conversions. What's going on?
Okay, let's take a look at your website. I've confirmed that you have set your summer sale campaign to direct traffic to this page. However, I could not identify a Google tag on your website. This means purchases happening here are not reflected in your Google Ads account. Would you like me to help you fix this now?
Yikes. Glad you caught this. Please fix this.
I see that you're using Wix for your website. So first, let me find your Google Tag ID, and then I can install it for you directly within your Wix dashboard. Okay, now that I have your Google Tag ID, let's install the tag on your website. Great. Google Tag is now implemented on your website. And finally, I'm verifying you're tracking conversions properly on Google Ads. Everything looks good.
Awesome. Thanks. When will I start to see those conversions?
It can take a few hours to start seeing conversions show up. I can keep monitoring in the background and let you know once the purchases start showing up. In the meantime, I noticed 2 other opportunities for optimizing your campaign.
How cool was that? This is early, but hopefully gives you a sense of how helpful this is going to be. These agents are learning from every interaction and will quickly become more and more capable of handling increasingly complex use cases. We're excited to get this in your hands later this year.
I'm so glad you shared this, and it actually is pretty cool. But it's really time for us to wrap this show up with a bow. So how about we reprise our best top 5 of GML 2025?
Let's go.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to start. Number 1, be where your customers are in real time with the best returns. And I talk about this to marketers all the time. Planning to a linear funnel is no longer serving you or your business. Today's customer journey is much more dynamic. And the key is to be where they are searching, streaming, scrolling, and of course, shopping. The combined power of Google and YouTube is how you get consumers from discovery to decision faster. And we do that better than anyone because of our reach, influence, trust, and best-in-class AI tools.
Yes. Okay, number 2. AI is giving Google search superpowers, and people are loving what they can do with it. This means greater opportunities for you to reach them in more meaningful ways, because search keeps getting better at understanding intent. We understand the why and not just the what, so we can anticipate what a user will need next. Search can turn curiosity into a new discovery and a confident decision.
All right, number 3, which might as well be number 1. There's really only one YouTube. YouTube is a discovery powerhouse. It's a place where you can not only build your brand, but also get in front of new customers that you can't find anywhere else. Plus, with trusted creators and new shopping features, it's also a powerful driver of conversions for your business.
All right, moving on to takeaway number 4. Maximize your ROI with the Power Pack. We're helping you take full advantage of search and YouTube by putting our best AI models into our next-gen campaigns. This means you'll be able to show up effectively in the new era of search and across all the new visual formats that you've seen. And we've heard you. We're giving you the choice, transparency, and control that you've been asking for.
And finally, you gotta fuel your AI. Your creative, measurement, and data are the fuel to power your AI performance. Generative AI is a game changer for creative, helping you build high-quality assets across all formats at unprecedented scale and speed. And of course, having the right data and measurement game plan is crucial to understanding what truly drives growth and ROI for your business. So, there they are, your GML 2025 takeaways. Take a picture, email it to your teams.
To help you do it all, we created the Google Ads AI Essentials. It's a helpful assessment to prioritize how best to put Google AI to work. But a lot has changed over the last year, and the AI Essentials were due for an upgrade. This QR code will take you to the AI Essentials 2.0, a full list of all of today's product announcements and our SEO guidance. Everything you need to maximize your growth with Google AI is captured here. The Essentials are also recommended right inside Google Ads, ready with just a few clicks.
All right, Celine, we're just about out of time. So do you have a killer closing line for us this year?
I actually asked Gemini for a little help. I had to, right? Ready?
I'm ready.
All right. The future of marketing is here, powered by AI, driven by your ingenuity, and shaped by our collaboration.
Perfect. You and Gemini are a genius. All right. For those of you on the live stream, stay with us and enjoy the post show.
Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. That's a wrap.